To make a sandwich, first grab 2 slices of your favorite bread, like French, white, or wheat. Spread your favorite condiments on each slice. Try mustard and mayo for a traditional sandwich. Putting the condiments on the bread first helps distribute them evenly on your sandwich and prevent them from dripping out. Add your main filling, such as deli meat, egg salad, or hummus. Add this filling on top of one of your slices of bread. If you are using deli meat, fold the meat instead of stacking the pieces flat. This will create more height and better texture. Next, add cheese if you'd like. Thinly sliced cheddar, provolone, and Swiss are all good sandwich cheeses. Then, add other toppings such as tomatoes, red onions, or lettuce. You can help prevent your bread from getting soggy by putting the lettuce on last. The lettuce will help keep moisture from vegetables like tomatoes from reaching the bread. Finish by placing the other slice of bread on top. Slice the sandwich in half for easier eating and dig in.